In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the latest version of Tableau. Installing Tableau will give you access to powerful data visualization tools and will guide you through the process step by step. First, open up your favorite web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type in latest Tableau version download. This is an important step because it ensures that you're getting the most up-to-date version of the software, which will include the latest features and security updates. After conducting your search, you should see an option for Tableau Desktop in the search results. Click on this link to navigate to Tableau's download page. Here you will find all available versions of the software displayed on the screen. This list is quite handy as it keeps you informed about different versions, but for our purposes, we're focusing on the latest one. Next, locate the current version. In this case, it's version 2025.2.1. And click on the link that says View the current version 2025.2.1. This will direct you to the download page specific to this version. Here you'll be prompted to fill in some personal information. This usually includes your name, email address, and possibly other details. Providing accurate information here is important as it might be used for account creation or future support requests. Once you've filled out all the required fields, click on Create My Account. Congratulations! You've successfully created your account and can now proceed to download Tableau. The software will automatically begin downloading to your computer. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few minutes. During this time, you can take a moment to ensure your system meets the necessary requirements for installation. When the download completes, locate the executable file in your Downloads folder. This file is what you'll use to install Tableau on your computer. Go ahead and double-click on this file to run the installer. As the setup begins, you'll be prompted with the terms of service. Make sure to read these carefully. Afterward, click on the I agree box to accept these terms and then select the Install button. The installation process should commence, and within a few moments, Tableau will be successfully installed on your machine. You'll know the process is complete when you're prompted with a message indicating the successful installation. From there, you can open Tableau and start exploring its features to create insightful data visualizations. That wraps up the installation process for the latest version of Tableau. Thank you for watching, and be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments below. Happy data exploring.